guys, we're at Hampden Park, level crossing in East Sussex from Michael and Harvey. I'm sad I just went past. There's so in mine and Harvey's habits. I'm going up the bridge. We're going up the bridge.
My phone's dead, sorry.
Oh, my cousin's phone passed out again. So I'm the one recording. Some really retarded saddos came on. Saddos! 171 722.
Stick the charger in and come back out.
Yeah, right.
You can pick your phone up.
No, I'll probably leave it and then pick it up tomorrow. Because we'll probably put one yours tomorrow anyway.
Yeah, probably.
So I tell you that right. Let's see if they're grumpy. Oh, is it? Yay! 171 722. Yay!
171 722.
And up they go. See you next video, guys.